While the stock market hits record highs day after day, the traditional student economy is currently in a devastating freefall. Trading limited hours for a minimum wage paycheck is a structural trap. For a full-time student, there simply aren't enough hours in the week to reach financial security through manual labor. If a part-time job only covers basic rent, hitting a $10,000 milestone requires a strategy that works when you aren't there. You need a way to reach that goal with zero starting capital and zero extra time. This requires a shift toward the digital asset pipeline, a method of decoupling your income from your physical presence. The engine at the center of the system is Google's NotebookLM. It's an AI tool that doesn't just search the web, it processes specific, high-value data you feed it. Wealth is no longer about how hard you can work, but about how effectively you can engineer systems to process information for you. The process starts by taking raw data and manufacturing it into a suite of digital products. You can upload a single business report into NotebookLM and instruct it to generate multiple distinct project outputs simultaneously. In minutes, that one document becomes an infographic, a video script, and a professional pitch deck. These assets can be listed as individual gigs on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, allowing you to fulfill client orders without doing the manual design or research yourself. But the highest scale in this pipeline comes from Faceless YouTube channels. The strategy relies on targeting high-value niches like true crime, business documentaries, or deep psychology facts, where the audience is large and advertisers pay a premium. You build an assembly line. NotebookLM synthesizes the research, Claude refines the script to sound human, and CapCut assembles the final video. Treating these tools as an interconnected system allows one person to manage a multi-channel content strategy that previously required an entire production team. However, this pipeline is only valuable if it stays active. In 2026, YouTube's AI policies are stricter than ever. The algorithm actively targets channels that upload unedited, mass-produced video spam. If a video feels like it was made by a bot for a bot, it will be demonetized. To bypass these traps, you must provide a human touch that the algorithm can verify. This involves adding your own commentary, adjusting the pacing of the script, and using cinematic editing techniques to ensure the final output feels intentional and original. Mastering these compliance rules is the only way to turn AI outputs into sustainable digital wealth. To reach the $10,000 threshold, you have to look at the math of distribution. A single NotebookLM session can be deployed as a YouTube video, a LinkedIn post, and a Gumroad PDF simultaneously. These digital assets live online indefinitely, compounding your reach and earning passive income long after the work is done. The barrier to entry has completely vanished. The tools required to build and maintain this entire pipeline are currently free. There is now a widening gap between the student who trades their health for an hourly wage and the one who builds a scalable system. In this era of democratized AI, the only variable left is whether you choose to implement